Share this video, guys. Yes, share this video. Watch share video now. Watoradia. So far, every now. All right, the Black Man Let's Music, I'll play this. More go straight to the topic where we did yesterday. Please, make sure I invite Enogie week. Make sit down, Mozuo. No your back. Mona call her, make sit down. Mona call Lovette, aka Mommy Let Love Lead. Make she sit down. You understand? Mona call the two of them, make the two of them sit down. I want to invite friends and which has been in woman and brother sit down. Huh? Huh? Oh man, Ogun Baze Wotowoto. I am on my party. Oh man, oh man, not lele. Oh men are not lele. Every Larry, egg Larry. Oh man, why? Who is this of Moswell? I will not take Puroma saw boy and Yahoo. I don't want drink. Apa? Hello. No. Okay. Mama tilele. Mama tilele. Mama bohanga. Hello? Agito. Good morning. Abu. I don't like video. Okay. All right. Igwa imagwa no gbogbo megbe Now know yourself. All right, my lovely people, I greet you all with better style. Let me reduce this music. Okay. Yes, my lovely people, I greet you now with better style. Already. I listen on the hear my voice. As you all know, this is Frank Victor, the woman on the social media king, the social media kubara, the social media otu, the social media anyone, the social media obisi. You know, not obisi. You know, by more papa with a smile. Don't play. Hey, yo, boy, yo. Just my drink. I want you. When I say I love me drink some, I know say I don't carry woman. I'm a virgin. I don't carry a friend girl. I'm just I just drink like my wife. I'm not saying I'm a friend girl. I'm not a friend girl. I put a whole drop to drink. Man, when all the smoke, not the drink, not the follow woman. I'm not saying I'm supposed to kill money. So, but me and the drink, and then for the drinking aspect, I only follow woman. I only follow woman. Understand? But I only follow Martin. I only do yansh. I only gay. Okay. That aside, you see. Now tell me, now tell me why these people they vex for me. Why did they vex for me? Why did they believe say wetin I talk now the wrong thing, not be the right thing I talk? Now they talk the right thing. The last after that they will still come to the word. That same word will be talk. Where they say the wrong thing. No, she am more women. Understand? And when the metal no you am more women. Okay, I hear you hearing. I zuo yo zuo. I full leg beyond. And when the metal ya end up with, I go play for now. Now, Mommy Let Love Lead did a video supporting Enogie. It's not. He said what Enogie do right. He said he call people for palace. They call the clap for Enogie. They call the pray for Enogie. Say what Enogie do. Now the right thing now Enogie do. They pray for Enogie and the household. Where Enogie take post video. Where they take the curse in papa. Is that the right thing Enogie do? Where Enogie take it play the video. Where they take the curse in papa. Is that the right thing Enogie do? Where Enogie take post video. Post papa picture. For the video where they put the curse in father. Or when in Enogie Enogie they no get posted video. Now you have you no get why. Or when you see no get you get the vet. They no get no ya me picture baba. Muye video and I have you no get do and I have you no get why. And the vet is when you see you get me let love it. Or where can I get why? Yet you can I get why. Here now no get. No ya have video no ya have you no get why. And the vet is how you like video living. If you don't move your gang. Anything. If you don't move your boy no get yeki. Anything. Why not let me where a la vet na kana? A family risk no. Option risk no no. A bog yamien no. No go back home e go where the robber. Ni ka ri your babeto. A risk no more barrier courts. No bother you mean the courts. Na pe ma go option no. Uswewan ni gwedokon e lo vetikin bet all of the media wetin yen wemedu tin yen gbobasi yen sinyo serenedo according to her. No doubt about it. Egwa von bagoroji. You understand? Ebi yan yaku egwa ya gwedo. Edo isi agbo. Ma kwa mo dan ekpe no we do yen ona ani zero mo no enegbe edo mi eji but no nyiwe na gon we na gbona maru edo we treat say na gbona maru. That is beneath for you. Now where we do we you get to see you say do. Now you not see a video na yaro we do, a video na yaro we gwa. When I want to know that no ya so gege. No we mu hia ni ye ho ni ye do ke no wa ke no si no ade ili ya fi nu gegwa no hi we mu hia on na we na magi mi e pejo si we on we ki o si we na on ye pi o we na e pejo ge anagi mi no ya so ye ma ye do ya pe no tu legba na de na do ge video vena ya ro vieri ye ni jie vena ya ro ni ekere he ona mwiwa ole ya kwigo koma no ya ge igo ga lie accounts when you love it una popoyo una wo wese una we le ba si ba we ti o ka le gua alo ka mani wo wese no ya mo video ni no ya mo ye page that's very good mo boni boy menu me we na wa no ko si no do ga de ke no go yi do ga de oje wa hu oji ya hu aria ti e boni me na ti e boni la we na ka we ni ya ka be ra de emi o ya we ra ni igere se ni ka mo iya we ya we o mo na ti e boni be men no ya we mara mo wi do ro yi ra iga ye hon isi mi o se ge yo unda we ho ma e koria me ga re hon ye igo wa fi nu geri me o pe me no ni ka gbo wa no bi ni ka ro so wa ni ze mo no ni gbe ni me ya gbe video ni do a na la se do a pe me iye dora iye mo hia na dai ho na ya ro yira me he e va ni me na so te gwa oni bi ma bi o mo ti me ri mo ko bo wa ni ni a no ya if you no get me for me to have proof it's a very phone here but rather I have to post it on her na go every do age igaro yira ina we bu ni ero ni onyi no gba no ye do na koko gba no kino onyi ewe bo si ene ewe bo esi ene omo no me nwa na ewe bo fie nwa ma we ye instead of you buy also you know travel is a part of education when na go boy no gi ewe no gi we si wana mi ami awe na kero bi ye no gi media e no gi wa ere page oge wa ga mo wa ni ye do so no mere le gboto kenu wana kon na kero bi ye no gi media na wa check no gi e page no gi e video ni le page oge ba ni na video na ya ro yo ba no gi na amu ye page oge o bedoro o salobo no pogeva o jojo amote o banu pa unu ne pa ba o ana ne we video na e video ni ona yare page no gi wo ye popo yo be nu wali concert wa solo wo se wa wo ye do wa ni be nu wali yo wa se wa wo ye do wa to wa support wa ni bu ni popo le no gi e ro wa ni wa no ri ya bible e wa o ri ya wo e wa wa ya ni support no gi baby no o ri ya wo wa ya because of mona gele kokwo po wa o ka no ya we ni ne do ge wu ni it's a wrong thing wa ya ni support no gi e video na ya ro yeru wa be ru wa na post ye page wa no wa ya agere ya ya go gun ya gbera ya go ya ha sum no mo e page we no mo ye wo no mo ye Facebook we no am ye ya no mo ye timeline we YouTube we no mo ye timeline we WhatsApp status we da boga la we tu wa sun now mama let love lead awa kana no we tie le gwa ni leru ne nogie venu we uwe gwa we na gbagba we na da oka oba ga we tie le gwa ni leru ne nogie enogie we ese no ya mo video na ya ro ye ra bu yi page oge ogi se dia uwe ga gwa no zigwe no obu we venu we ma se gwa o according to your video i e kotistugbo na via sana le gwa e we number 1 ma le gwa that is we to one kotistugbo na via sana le gwa kotistugbo na ma me ne gbe e kotistugbo na ku ne boss je sisi ge ni abo ni ya we vida le do na ya gbe asan. Even ne gwamagi, una gwamagi. Who they cause go like palace. I bet you are here. Oh, wow, now understand. Oh, wow, when I'm here, I'm asking you a question. When I'm here, just now, not just on the when I'm not here, una support on your come about your come. When I call it, una pay home medine, I'm not via son and a way. To the extent, because it's the boy call go mia. When I'm able to give a call you. In our way, when I agree. You can't say when video you advise you. The only way for you to stand firm on the Sabbath space is with truth, sincerity. A prideness, a bragness, a braggadoos. Because nobody send who they would pay loyalty to. If you want to understand, it's social media now. Nobody send that same person when they look as a God to you. Nobody send them. That person where they see as God, now boy to another person where you don't know. That person where they look as God, now boy to another person where you never see know. Don't you know? Enogie total wa down here. Ya could kill we. Nogi. Ya wa could kill no. He ate the saga where I don't analyze what we cannot do it. It will not deity. Now, Kotisugbo we call you any. Kotisugbo me here well. You were on live video. What are the Kotisugbo? What are the Kotisugbo? What are the most I go to the Nagabi? What are the most I go to the Nagabi? What are the Kotisugbo? What are the most I go to the Nagabi? You know my way. I was like, oh, what the F? You understand? On that way, any young bar, any young any young ina wa you give you. How long run? You know nobody. I want to go what tag do I not buy even no there. Ana. Udagenina. Now. Last year. You know but kill for me. This is Chief almost I go to the letter. You understand? Nobody for so long. Even how are you getting my no, what anybody know? No, boss, almost I get to the Gabi. Now, why you attack most of the what I'm not to say, what thanks most of the Gabi. You know, what are they going now? A woman, what is your winning? What's your winning? Do a man when you have one matter. Where you will let me. What's in your second agua? What's in your second agua? Do I know where I go on Facebook? What's in your second agua? What can I go? Why is you second the gua for the one as you second agua? What's in your second agua for there? I think we move patona too. What about the gua for them? And when we be able to want to about there for what's in your second agua? What's in your second agua? No, I go to Facebook. Also, when I go to monetization, when I go to view. No, when I go to you, when I go to I see you again. I'm not seeing the end of this matter. I'm not seeing the end of this matter for your selfish interest. I hope I saw the end to Norway. I can't get what. Uno vai uye bona o de no baye za o vie de bosso e wa we do buan we tu wa go ba do le do yi o wa ya go ba do le do yi what are the things we ya go ba do le do yi e give we am e platform wa ya woni je do wa no wa me gbero bo ma so e we am we ye for na job in Nigeria no wa me gbero bo ma so e wa gidi kan for na job uno mo wa ya re wa ni unu gbo aji ba ya re ofo mejo mo ogerima wo be wa hin we bo wa gbore wa ni topic wa gbore topic e gboro wo he go Facebook wa gbo na le gwa wona ma fi egbo no bu afo ya ro ni me document wo tin si so gedo wo tin egbo na gwa be o we na we lost marriage o go respect e wo no me bo gbe je o we lost marriage Oh, you don't play the we are betting area. Oh, yeah, we lost the marriage. Hallelujah. So that you now, il fait il colle mon quand tu Tugbo là on nous send the video. As smart as Lovett, as very you don't know you don't know let love lead. Let love lead is a very smart woman. As smart as she is, she don't want to wear that crown of the enemy of Benin Kingdom. She pushed Enogie. She pushed it straight to Enogie. On her way, Enogie, investor, investor, and why investor, why borrow? I don't know. Enogie, you come. Hello, investor, why borrow? Why go? Osalova where any money. Mamuni ene. Osalova where any money. Investor wa borrow onions wo. Investor Kotitugbo. You why no why the traditional council. Can you imagine the talk? Where Kotitugbo or no why of Benin traditional council? Like seriously. Where Kotitugbo or a normal Benin traditional council. When that money you know time, the live video. Kotitugbo you don't want here. Now Kotitugbo no view the video. So what bina yo, what made the video, what more like now. So Iman don't hear the glory. Listen, I don't know just why. Iman don't hear the glory. So that's why now okay. Yeah, what I know make Kotitugbo no to go forward the idea. You see how Enogie become a fool? No to go forward the you ma forward the idea because go. On na won go to bugwe forward the idea. You are you where I am no ma. E won yin won na ma gbe kwa. On na ko we won you where very smart woman. Okobo na oina ago. Enogie ye hene we ye ma ye me the truth. Also, now you don't give that video. Still talking about it. Wait, I must see the ending. I thought Elavet who were made the ending were winning the case in it. But why is it that they still came out yesterday and still started shouting? And why you bad who or you so? Man, so Timon, your way, I want oh God. Wonderful. Now, let me play the video she did today. This is my point. A point I am giving when I was down here. A video name. Lovett you when I be now. Mama when na gbewa so seven you got to get no so no get priceless lao. Anything you concern go. What you know at time? Anyone who really me send the hair across. No, people like I never hear this thing. We never hear what you love talk now. Mommy, let lovely then they talk so. Why am I hearing not time now? My home, my home. I don't understand these people. One name love it emoji no more imagine now. Is it not the same thing I'm fighting for? What are you here of it? Anyone at all. At all. But I hear her. I send her across. Enogie we. What do you know at time? Enogie ho. Anyone. Enogie ho. Anyone who really me send her across. Enogie ho. Enogie ho. Anyone at all. Enogie ho. At all. Enogie ho. I send her across. Any video no ya go. Me na nwa. Ah. Me aro wa. Me ara isika ba. E ma me mani ko bebe. Isika ba. Osijima no kwa. Ori eji ni begwa. Owe gwaje. Me ma ko tele la de. Ibi ma ya no re ma agba gbe mi ta ga mi ti a. Ah kwa gbe bidibidi. Ama kita to mo taji. Ama kita to mo taji. Chief ni mana ki begwa. Mani ko na isika ba.
Sikoba ni makibekwa. Masai giomete. Ometene kibekwa. Ometene kibekwa.
When is the combat? And it is soon, Umati to see combat, una at your mede. When Mati see combat, when at your mede. When I go mede, they give a gua. And it is soon, we are to see combat, una at your mede. We don't wait, see combat, wegwa. Ures pain, who see combat, is see combat. The mother even we have to go back. You understand? O medene diregwa, but o medene for ati. Do I know that? You understand, you know? Chief, I want soba. We are not yoy. A Jimmy and Arioy. About where Guano. Go and check the list of the palace of the chiefs in the palace. Ya here listed chiefs no regwa. I post them in the page where this young content creator, scroll down, you will see the video there. All the chiefs in the palace is still on this young content creator. I post those things on this page. Why only a saga wali? Go to this young content creator, a page that you are scroll down, you will see all the list of the chiefs in the palace. You understand? Wamiwa, the chief I want soba of Benikido, Doreva, for chief in it, ya check ever. Even Goma, why was a media? What is one talo? Why what? Since 13 years, one of your uncle, no senior uncle, no chief with palace. Automatically, we will go. Why cool? Now, where is my point now? A video now. No we moji we no vet. Also that time no there were de video na we moji. De sanga na we moji. Our only man we normally end where we provoke you with ya saga me. No we there feel the tangle. O kuta no my town go ibu na mo. Mo mozo no we ya your mozo. Me o wa no he do abenu nu yata. Then nije eri ya kokio e. I might not come out to saga you. But I will just tell you the reality of life. The same thing I will still tell you. You cannot be my friend. I will be seeing you fall into fire. I'll cover my mouth. It's not. It will never happen. You understand? That is me for you. Me when you no get at least a video no mu page. Where you not bad enogie, no analyze video na tie bogegwa. When I go there, we get emat o meta. You get to know you are correct. Tell us how you learn no get why are you not changing your map now? When you not get by video ni. You get video ni market no get act by not literally. Instead not video ni you get the right place. Why are you not changing your map? Lovette, what has come over you? Are you depressed? Who were depressed here? You might understand. What am a depression? No, why are you not saying this one now? Outcome of this video this morning. You will be Benua. If I can't go, every meter where you look me now with a good talent.
Mama, when not very well.
What are you?
So, 7 minutes so, no get priceless now. Anything that goes on a go. What you know at time? Anyone who really me.
Is it not the same thing I said? Oh, my God, what do you know? Zanzamani. What do you know? Tenebo animal. But for you to have proof, you save it on your phone. If the person try to deny or drag it to the next level, you can see proof to present. Then you cutting it, putting it on your page. Automatically, okay, but wait, is it not the same thing in metal? A love it in the moji. Ready to China. Don't want yours for my winner. Don't want your most winner, who my way. Every metal will not give you, you get money, not give you, not get you. Ready to China. Hey, when you don't turn now, see these confused people. They are confused. They just hate me because they know the kind of person where I be. All of the events because I'm asking about. I don't want to do Guario, I don't want to do Tario, and what I and you all know the truth. Any Omonanga de Mwa, you will know where everyone know what I now. And no game with video ye page away. I can allow you where we are posted a page away. If you don't know what you wear, we are posted a page away. This is what we all are against. Nothing more. What talk, baby man?
Hello?
What up?
That means Mary Wema. That means ye money, yes, ye were going to Matan or women mine. Or Maggie and our daughter were Matania time and I bad Vasenogi.
Yes.
Yeah, go a women in Nogi, Union Nogi, or your boss and about Vasenogi. The best you want them up my Nogi and not what Vas any now where Guji. A latest of the Guji.
Exactly.
Hey, do I can I huh? What is the need in there? Near no Guinea, I always said that the best you want to my no give away. I don't have any good one. Here, where a video we are posting, mouth. We are not going to say
the same thing.
I cannot win at
Okay. The same thing on
very, very careful. Yes, you came out and what women man, or Maggie and our daughter, Ladiawe, Nequega Muyamenogi, and about Vasenogi. And the same thing with Ladia daughter. The same thing, and the pepper de Ladia daughter on honor of your team. When no your market no post say, Yadili say, I have Vasini and Hirian Nogina. You know? Oh, Boba Kukunia Yafa in Nigeria.
So.
Oh,
What
yeah.
Why are you people like this? Why are you people like this? And the same thing I really talk about. A lot of them not you or you what will it no koku na tana or you no zoom down here esira. It's okay to one. No zoom down. Or you never like the warrior or you saga or you by where even not any man not to be on. Enogie. Or mark can we post a video. It's the same thing. Why you know if you're not going but because of hatred, we have the test of the tossy one. We have the test of the Omaka Omaka fan. Why done how when we let love lead total. Ibano Sanga, we are the good one. Or see one come on that one. We are okay. We are arguing. We have the test update. Also, what you have made been 1-on-1. You are all in the same place there. We are maybe 1-on-1. You understand? Now, the test of the those Zemwe le two here. Where you Latvian, who work being a Bogion Badon, who was fast where or Tio and Serai Yogion Bannon, Egbia Yaya, family Yogion Bayan. When I'm never team where Ogion Badon got in school. Ogiamia Ogion Bano, when I'm Yamiao. That means what the boy Ogion Bawe. Do not want your bonny yard, who wag be, and Bogion Bawe, Kimia. You understand you now. And I sagao, in reality, now I'm trying to illustrate what you said from your man and why you start, why the latest of this national one sagao. If you not see the latest of the national where you now categorically. Added let us add not like where Yamagia Tian Ekinoto or Tian Kinotimagia. When I was Sarah Carovera de Media, a Sarah of latest updates, a Sarah of Yevera, I don't know the Sarah Maro of Miloga, a Sarah is a respect of nobody. A Sarah respect of nobody, no, Monera is a bastard. Where now you not go further to add. It's you know, a family of a guy. When I make user statements, where as far as what's your banner, it's here, or you buy anything. Now, this is my question to you. You are a family of Ogiame, and Ogiame is against our custom and tradition. Ogiame is against our palace. Who are you there? Family no give away. You are a sister to Arisco. Arisco is an enemy of the Benin Kingdom. Then who are you then? Very little something you are a brother to Sarah. The same way you are a sister to Arisco. The same way you are a family of Ogiamie. Who is the problem we have in that Benin today? All this nonsense, this news and talk all over media is caused by Ogiamie family. You know it. It started from your own family. All this Sarah of it is the recusement of your family. You understand? If you go deeper, it's the recruitment of your family. So what is here? No, make you now understand. You are a part and parcel of Ogiamie because you are the daughter. You are trying to remove yourself from Ogiamie to move with the Benins. You understand? Now, things like this happen. I cannot wear because of what my sister. You understand? Everywhere you don't get wow. You understand now? But it's a genuine way. You understand now? Okay, now let us update the Doguan. When we go to Doguan, where Egbeni we carry, but Oguyan above it, if you're not concerned, you are totally removing yourself from that. Just the way the of came out categorically to also remove himself from his sister's atrocity. You understand? It's 50-50. But what don't form who are going to say? One by Baba. Or act more the letters of that Baba, you go figure. Nesera Deji. When I'm never going to be. Don't know for now. When I'm never, the same of you money of the family way. The same that all year. No here you say that bina. Or your family way, or your family way, or a family way is your gut matter of them all. Is the founder of Ogiomba. The founder of Ogiomba is Benin today. Is Ogiamie family. You want to kiss one? All the records are on media. They are on media. Murphy Face was a respecter of the palace until Ogiamie family they introduced Murphy Face into atrocity. And then Murphy Face became the enemy of the kingdom. And if you guys start mentioning names, what are we saying? What are we saying here? Let's not go further to analyze you more. I said, my sister, then we will know you are really fighting for Benin. Don't see what is bad, what is against Benin, and start protecting it that is good. Without a video, this is the same thing in Meta. If you not concerned anymore, my can will post to your Facebook. If you not you know get where or my can no get post to your Facebook. This is my stand. My no get best of concern no matter now. A saga my no get spending. Better like Guana, Ekini Yedona, or your buying. Ekini Wado. A video you no get where you're not going to page of on analyze my bed, you know, I don't on analyze it. Because why? You have issue with, say, what's it called? Latest updates. Hello? I agree with you. Exactly. Exactly. The same thing when they want to yeah. Water. Yeah, water. Thank you very much. Now, what are you?
Me send it across. Anyone at all. At all.
Why you want?
Send it across.
Why?
Any video no ya go.
You no go one.
Me na nwa. Ah, me arogwa. Me ara isiko ba. E ma me bani for me be.
You no go one.
Isiko ba. Osijima no kwa. Ori ekini be gwe.
Now listen. Is it not the same thing? Ne Chief Omede, I want about Benin. I will not have a live video or anything. No one that is one of your chiefy. One as one, I don't know. And the same thing, not alone. The man came back categorically. Anybody, he did not mention one particular person. Anybody not in a video, in a page, not delete it. A baby on the market now, a page. I do give a guy, or a post. You promoted our culture and tradition. And now I'm video. Now you have no get guy. Now I'm on a page. Be promoting an insult to the palace. It is totally unbearable, unacceptable. That was what the chief did. Now allow will go. A baby now soon. Nobody should be tagging the picture of our ancestors. Also, nobody will give her. Now I'm going to buy it. And I will know. Now allow. And in the chief of the carry. Okay, because now a platform not here, or not here. Because we may not say a platform, it not become a crime because the hatred you have for me. Yes, that's truth. Many of you know what you want to oh, why yes, we will take. Because when you guys are under me, and you forever remain under me, and what I so say, you understand? It's the same thing because I was the one that caught you from it. Because why are they your better maintenance is there? Nobody what on a win a guy, on a win on a win, at the end of the day, no results. None of the chiefs that have spoken about it until I decided to call Chief Omede. Now this morning, Lovers, who party a boy your name? Ne chief of my life with you. Hey, Baba, love, oh God. No bad name that I don't matter. No, that's not God. Tagby. We are based on seven. Ekim what new? Oh, I love it. Then the race work be Ekim in a grandma. Not what new. What about the boy and the chief you get my live video because men not teach from the one live dinner when speaker. The same chief, you know, what about your body, when I phone, not a TA, who hit here, no, Anna, on a way, my way. Who is one not on a one kind of video in me, who could one nail time. Right? That was what he said on your video. On a one kind of video because we don't know. Am I aware? When that's one go losing, we know, no good. I'll be a cut bonoba. What color, what tag, not so going no tag. When I go back here, where the chief you get, one live video, but you call chief on your live video. Or back here, where the chief you going live video, but not my sister. It is well. I don't have any grudges against you, it's all good. But one thing I just watch this show, any line will react, it will expose you. It's not saga. Stand to speak the truth, I don't have grudges against you. Ugatemata, I don't have issue with you. Que no gua que no botobe ya vie que was again. No be we gari ye gbesi so ko ya odere. Il stand. U ga ata si e dogiwe. U ga te no ma gba. E ya rewe. Especially when iku. E matu wa ba yi palo ware. That's the truth. Mamu wa niku. E matu wa ba yi palo ware. Oga mi adu back in Ozini Sarah doses there. Oh, setting donc we are doing back oh vene but now we on is marani na egbo body ni ogo no wa do na ho to e kana ho ties na me ko na ties na me dey ties I me say ties oh god e va dire ici che na me ko na ties na me ties na me say ties what's the so the most sweetest part of it all, well, after all this my talk, it's still the same thing I still stand my ground on. Well, yes, if you don't get tired, it's abomination. If you don't get uni, if you don't get ill, the chief go on a platform minute, you don't get us one about your chief, or not one about your chief, or you want about your chief, or walking chief, or walking no get all or hearing lads and go on you where you said attack. E sera time where area bonison. You got bonisari Lareu. Mommy, let's love it. Uma Rivani. Uma watch a video. Uma watch a video. You know what? Eriyan Bonisa. You got Bonisa. Eriyan. Ugbegwe to man Ugbegwe because why? You are a friend to them. Whatever what was you say in Egwe. Woman, what you be from way. One wadu wa hemula yen wadu bi wa giado bonawa onazum dan wa giado bonawa udage life na a popo wo kan fi otodo mai e wa uda me wa is e popo me ina ido maso wa the media na start this business ina ido maso wa e ti wa yare mi just dey ordinary juice plus seller I don't take this line before you juice plus seller. A just lost now. All that in my video where I go. All the chief. When of that of the media as whole. Uma direba. Uma rabi guy. Uma Michael Yuri. Uwe ye gwe. Wala ho. Iye do. Wage video na se gwe. Wala ho. No. Well, ma we come Frank Irabo. Secretary to the Benin Traditional Council. Uma call you Enogie. When you tie live video with Frank Irabo you when I will not see you, but you not to the lie. Imagine why here you again. The lie on the lie. I don't know what you want to take game. I don't know. They will. I mean, if do the competition. I don't know what competition. Waiting, I know it don't deal with me. I don't know. Whether you know it belongs to you. What's my business about what to know? It not concern me. Your influence not will help me if I get problem. That's the truth. My influence might not so help you if you're in problem. I will just sit there before them and be looking at you. That's me. If God touches my heart, assist the pains is too much, I want to assist you, I can assist you on my own. I can carry my phone and come out to say Alpha. Just the way they arrest you, mama. Now people rescue you. The same people will rescue you when you arrest your mama. Do you know so that's the people? If I still get that's a problem, they can also rescue you. They might able to do better than the one they do for your mom. That same people will rescue you as they arrest your mama. That same people will do better to me if I was your shoe. Say they arrest my mama. I cry come and say, yes, truly, they arrest my mother. Baba, my own blessing are double. Not be proudness. Now this video me and you did. You get crowd though. I get quality. I don't get crowd. That's the two difference between me and you. I get quality people. I don't have crowd. I don't have nuisance. I have responsible people. My platform. Not to get crowd. When you date people, they will jump you, they will leave you. Even this abroad will do so. Now when I will open my open up, make I call, make I just come and say, I need help. Did you ever see me come crack, come on media say, why will you go, man, I need help? In no day. Instead of me to see, I want to help people. Even for the same abroad, may no my day okay. Ne come even, may you go on the yard, you can't me, may I help you with your body, one way sick, and one imagine. You will put on my agenda. I'm not made those so that you need you, and it is genuine, it is sincere, not to fraud people. And I don't even think of thinking of frauding anybody. Well, not them where I will be. Whereas you want to go and use the documents we have there by courts. A confirmed where you or charge you with 5,000 euro. Who are confusing the document here will be. They pay you 5,000 euro. Where is the document? You don't still have document. You'll be over there without no document. Usually you went to do here in Germany. Now you come to media why I lost your marriage. When a boy never donate to your feed, who know why we marriage me. A landlord will met you. A landlord will they never chase that kind of marriage. And at the end of the day, the people that was your money were Aduro people. Aduro's taking boys. All had a marriage with. And girls. Single mothers them. No reputable people apart from 3 people. 3 people. Oduma via ATM machine. Steaming. And it's one glass. The rest of them were all nuisance. Nuisance of everybody. Ibieka of everybody. Noisemakers. Government say. That's to show you how low you are. How local you are. The real people you posted mentions their names on social media. Way. Just only 3. Just only 3. These are the same people. I will just say, hey, pardon me, talk about or me could not invite me in Nigeria. I better me grace the occasion. They go there for them, representing me for them. Or now, here, men now, in acting inviting me, where do not buy me. Senior men, they will shock. See, I do represent. What has social media? Everybody get different grace where they work from. Activate your grace. Let your grace speak for you. Be sincere on what you are saying. We're not the competition for anything. When you say, I will support you. Ask me. This is our fight. As a man, this is our fight. Anywhere enough you know get what. It really man even know where you saw the Magbina yo. Then it's a all your bas say moi all soon. Which is normal. Mani de do ya ene. Amupa mwa yo rewe ese na magbo. E bueno. Ama biese da komo. Dete ni biese da. Iya na loko. Iya na bon. Den usirike anima. Undawe. Unwene na gola we. But the family did not quiet. Instead, they also came out to speak about the issue. Do you know where Timothy is ready now? Or it do you know how many Mofes family that is abroad here? Have you seen them speak on social media once? Mofes, have you seen them speak on social media? Do you know where you are? Have you come out to bring out Professionalism system to us? You know what I know? But you are doing this thing because of hatred. Or have been sincere, and those will back you up, they will support you. Of fighting the sincere fight. Not fighting for your selfish interest because of a saga with latest updates. Because of a saga with latest updates. Now, on a gele, on a gele, on drag vera lagan. Umak pole vera lagan do agbe vera. Because Vera is your party. Is Vera not a sister to Sarah? What's the man drag Vera? Or see no wood, no ready to talk. What's the man drag that one bunny? Because you have one-on-one with latest updates. Not latest updates letter. Or say anyway, anyone waiting get cordial because I can never act the way you are acting. My wife said now name one. Or see you misbehave. He's sad guy Sarah. He's sad guy for the Facebook. You know more TikTok. You know you are better TikTok. TikTok not how video. You know you are better. You know how many hours you spend with TikTok. I brought a lot of women in. As one, I be come as funny. A woman brought out a hair. Always a video. Say Maria Dara boss it on my live video on TikTok. You understand? Sarah was on that live video on that same TikTok. Sarah was live. Although I was live. Sarah was even sending a request to me to come and be sorting those women. In our block, in our block, instantly. Better way. You are not bringing it in. I watched the video of latest update. No, me have your bottom. Or the rule you. Or the rule whatever. Because what supported Edo. He never supported Sarah. Where we I had bear. Go on our wage. Anyway. Also. But trying to I don't hate any of you guys. when you are always saying it the way it is, I don't have a problem with you guys. A lot love leads. The same thing in matter. Ni emoji, ni pretend where you man. Not the way video when you are doing live video. What I was against where you are not supposed to be playing that video on your platform. You're not supposed to upload that video on your platform. Go and delete it. That was my stand. Is it not the same thing that literally said now? Is it not the same advice you have because you are going to go now? Iya no love it then ya we e kini magba kini no gedo ni magba e no gedo we pebolele ke no mo ye pejo ke no ta o ke no bawa hu o wa diji ba dije bu e ban love it yin ina do ye use idea do ya have as enogie investor e gbe video yin e mo ye peji we e mo ye isaga no
mama na pewa so seven the tato ya no re ogun so no get stressless now anything we concern egwa o ba gwa what you know at time
okay
anyone no really me send the across anyone at
on I mean me no me wan tan wa mo uzia. Oh, Nanny, no more water, one muzzle, no, or muzzle, my cannot buy, or my can a muzzle, I mean a muzzle, tell the little teller, what darling, what the vegetable.
Mama went not very well.
Okay.
So seven the tato ya no re ogun so no get stressless now. Anything we concern egwa o ma gwa what you know at time anyone no really me send the across anyone at all at all I send the across any video no ya go me na nwa me arwa me ara isika ba ma me bani ko me pe
Every lo ba isika ba
o si jima no kwa ori eke ni begwa ogwa yi me ma ko kede la de ibi ma ya no re ma anyone who really me send the across anyone at all at all I send the across any video no ya go me na nwa me arwa me ara isika
Lovexi Koyo Go do media come yo now what that we ho any video really me Eric ato Lovexi Tamiriedo who is the chief no neru Enogie what we say who was the chief that prayed for Enogie you said
mama when
a chief Leru Enogie begwa we video no post you always say
no re ogun
now what
so no get stressless now anything we concern egwa o ma gwa what you know at time
okay
anyone no really me send the across
okay oh na me lucky love I love you longer now Versi la rete mama don't no call when we call it when we no get all ma you wa get all ma Lovexi you have to come and tell me don't tell me no a chief we call it no come on we no give where see no come on we no give where see you were the one that come on media and call Enogie well yes Enogie if you wa go yan wa neru nu kuwe ko yan wa neru nu we say you ya post video na finu get gwa we now do the chief no do come on na we anyone not really me na get ipe no delete no send across salo oh god I go na wa agbe won oye ni a resign na ya resign family work working na I go na ti gbe won what say video na what Lovexi be lovey what you what am I with you love who does it Lovexi what gbe won oh what gbe won Jesus is Lord wonderful investor Enogie investor my brother investor Ogyamba family Una see, me I not get grudges with anybody. The truth still remain the same. They try to misunderstand me. I not get problem. What you know you do is wrong. I believe say Lovett don't know now. Definitely, she don't know. She don't talk about her mouth. She not say what na they talk, na the truth that they talk. Lovett about where any okay? Now you know now. Now you know. Because there is no place where you want drag this matter go, where you want film with me for this matter. It's not there. Unless you go on your do. No, here, wait. A video that you're hearing is here. No, mommy, not post it. Idago. You know there. You understand? So, do now. Everywhere, advice Enogie now. Is it not the same advice I gave to Enogie? When I saw the video, ina video now, ina advice Enogie. Imagine about Enogie. Ina advice. Delete video now. Oh my God. Peradventure, he didn't know. Oh, come on, but oh my, I'm on one seno. It's not. Ina okay. Delete. I can never would do delete video now. Oh my, I can't even repeat you way because video now repeat you way. You are never gonna. Oh, you buy your tea way. Go work in no way. Oh, you power. I do the video for her. And I flame up. I may. Ya go no get one. I may. Ken. I may. You know, so I'm a scorpion. I will not make him go to Abo Bonoma blow. Abo Bodo Civic go to Bonoma blow. You know, so you know, that's what I'm posting video. And when I look at my show, if you get it, you know, that's what I'm going to go and the oh, yeah. Continue sharing. You know, the start sharing. Oh, God. I too good like myself, Sha. I love myself. Die. I too correct. I swear my life is not I told you guys, if you come for me, you will be the victim. And if I still come for you, you will still be the victim. I tell you, say no get. Now the right thing I tell you now. When I go from they had you. At the end of the day, last, you guys are still coming to bow down for that word. One one first. When I run for that word, they mean Walelan. Oh, why the move butoyo? A muzzle. Now be what your muzzle talk. Now be you can't the tall Enogie now. Now we why do you have accident now? We no can wear Jesus Christ. We no ga lerune. Salobo na ga lerune. Akpa na ga lerune. Ori na ga lerune. Ona wetu ga ma. Ona wetu ga. Go. I wanna we achieve again. Isaga bobozi oguhun paracetamol. Ogwa.
Anyone at all.
Okay.
At all.
Okay.
I send it across.
Okay.
Any video no ya go. Me na nwa. Mama we na gbewa. So seven that ya.
No give honey. So
no get priceless now.
Okay.
Anything go san ekwe.
Okay.
O ma gwe.
Okay.
What do you know at time?
Okay.
Anyone.
Okay.
Anyone who really me send it across.
Okay. Okay.
Anyone at all.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
At all.
All right, ma'am.
I send it across. Any video no ya go. Me na nwa. Me aro wa. Me ara isika ba.
Oh.
Mani ko bebe.
Oh, I see.
Isika ba. Osiji ma no kwa. Ori ekini le gwa. Ogwe gwa ji.
Okay.
Ni ma ko tele la de. Ibi ma ya no re ma agba me bi ta ga bi ta. Kwa me bi bi. Okay, now understand. Tiffany mana kiregwa. Mani ko na isika ba ni ma kiregwa.
Okay.
Ma se gi omete.
Okay. Well, that's good. That's good. Now, I want to ask a question here. What am I ready to do? They need a chief or medeu. They no gina royo here. Wahamame, they need a chief or medeu na. They no gina royo here. Is it not the same word, native or medeta? No, you know, this one, or chief or mede. love veti vedo tana. Love. Ne chief of meneta. Wewe do tana no wa unda aro ye chief of meneta. Oh, who chief of meneta? You call a live video me platform me. Or the boy platform me. That is a crime, not commit. Abi? You all not think you call a chief of meneta platform me. That's the crime the chief of meneta commits. You want that do aro here, right? You see, if I tell you sometimes, that is not going to be where the presenter sometimes say, wait till you don't know big pass you. Don't be lying. Wait till you don't know a big pass you. I watched a few videos, a few clips of the video you already did. Also not yesterday or the first day you already do that video. Few clips of now I watch where they cut. A guy was my video you already through comments. And if I talk about this, I say, I don't go saga you, I don't call you by a date. I say, get why. Me, now talking for this media, say, I know call Yuri Ogion by again. He get why I arrest my case. Me, I want to tell the mafia Ogion by. Yuri, Meliti Yuri Ogion by get why. In arrest the case, you know, we just arrest my case. The best reason is the reason is best not to be. Yuri now, if you don't know that, she was angry. On a getting saga woman now. Saga Suzuzi, or Sagai, the other woman or Spain. And at the end of the day, during that saga, he mentioned some words. Or wait, a day, the man called it was something like that. And it's the truth. Yes. It's the truth. Oh, when I go say, na saga they do, that way it was not true. Now, that word I just want me to clarify. For all the time, all the stuff what she do yesterday. What she say, if she not call palace, they live like 2 times a day. That word, what she talks about, now she not clarify. Say, now truth. Now she talk. That's what I mean. I clean my hand off her, of calling her Ogimba. Right from 2017 through 18, me ask a guy Yuri. You understand? But that video where I watched yesterday, you do that video. I just listen to that part. Now I just only when you laugh. Now some people are going to feel say she use her to make maths. I thought you are making maths. Then people watch that video now. Go feel say you the yamonu. Or my yamonu and what I'll tie video ni. Clear matter now you talk about that video. Now me know. And she still no say I know. She knows I know. She's working on the call on Ogion, but also say I can't talk about that video. See what I tell you about. You not coming. You don't concern me. Now how I do. She know me, I know her. You understand? I just boom. Until she can't use a man talking yesterday. Or do you know it there? I said, no, we were that's why when I decided that's he also come and say, hey, you don't make Begwao, Ogion Bano, Walareo, Frank Victor, Enogie. He call everybody, make the call John and Saga Yuri. When I see the way I talk about that matter, I still go ask questions. Before I do anything, I need to ask questions. Me and this palace, my chief. I need to go ask questions. I ask questions, they give me my reply. I saw this on the video. You understand? And she will still do that justice. Maybe she's a paralysis. She still ask questions. Or definitely they must still call her if she will go against our customer tradition. So I have to answer. I said, now, this is nice. This is it. Focus on your own. What do you don't know? You don't know. What do you don't know? You don't know. If you get saga with Yuri, saga Yuri, no money. Now that's what you have been. If you want to saga or muscle, no money. And yes, we are that way. If that people want to book you, because why I talk about you don't know, you don't just know. That's the truth. Everybody get the way to clear your way. Just like some people dinner, they go thief Maggie, they go jail them, they go put them in prison. Some people they go thief bunch of money, they go set them free. In your life prison. That's the level you are there. That's Nigeria for you. But the two are thief. On a do magimu. On a do 1 billion. Not do 1 billion mu. Elle a prison. Not when Magimu. Oh yeah, that's Nigeria for you. Not levels. So what do you not know? You know a big person, you know just know her. Just chill. Do your best. Do what you know. Say what you know. And leave the rest for God. Inshallah. You understand? Because this social media all day so. You get things when they play after social media, but many of them don't know. And you will go sit down your know because okay, this guy. My number one. You understand? Men go draw in your body. Because you don't know bad way. Any kind of zone, as you can be. Also, you can't come against recording. Stop recording. Every year, one record. Because I can't so say this na bele. You start so people. Me as na Enogie. You don't bele live video. Oh, you are record. What record for no money like I don't want to do media. I want to be at the number one. Jimofi. These are people that are supposed to be respected on this media. Look at your or not media. In an recording, I tell matter. It's done. Which is bad. But thank God, it's never too late. You can change your ways. Now, advice I give now, not to sag anybody. They give you as presenters. You can change your ways because now your way will make people look you well. People at the top say, now your way will make people look you well. But you're not going to pick that word. Your way not going to make people look you well. People they look us. Not be cartoon they watch us for this Facebook. Now human being they watch us. Both the good and the bad, they know them. So depends on what you do. Do it well. I'm actually you know what I'm over. Because I'm telling you guys the real truth. I'm not like Macron. I'm not that you no go, not how you no go. Say it straightly the way the thing be. The favor day your front. If you not come now. I'm not like Agbona. You have bomb go. I want to value live fake life. I'm go say. I want to go busy. I want to go very. We are borrow by living your target. My man. I build over like you are just standing. I don't go to Kumbo so. Love like you are so. But you will not say what I'm telling you. When you come with bullet on the jack bone, this is who you are. Hey, I thought Babos in a book. Here my level. So why use a brain? When it be now. Oh, I remember what we know, but we are sick. I just say with two because it could never be between you sit why. So you're there, so this is what about me now. Back to back, what are facts? I want to see the facts. What's no day? You're provoke no day. What's no? You know what happened? When you were angry yesterday, the anger yesterday was too high. The wotowoto yesterday, I said, what? What happened? What's no? Well, calm down, I let me know. You know why I started telling you what you know. I wouldn't work here, work, you know. Remember, you have to carry away, I'm a palo. I went here, I said, I was going to be a young. I won't be a little bit of humanity lower. One look at so like you might come. Or will a general do somebody when I come on my net barn. I can hear somebody who know. Not where one side, one stone, no time. Ah, you see. In every nonsense, there's always a sense. If you are not later when I pick a sense in a room, we will make use of it. Already I don't get. You know, really love mommy, love it be. It only make be. It only each and every one. No, get already that don't get be. Egg your way worst it be. Egg your way until you don't. You understand? You don't get what you with the drag. Every answer with the kettle. Why you see the same almost war, even almost war tiny. Everyone let love the you do. Yeah, the advice you no give na. Wali tahi na wali ajuji wali tahi frankamazo nuna to buwa ya no sune frankamazo. Wani ga re platform let love video agbele. La re adro for no adu yiki. Aju no ani kwemu. You don't hear this video where I play so omozo. Give me and you not copy the omozo, not be you. Mommy let love the way still enter media yesterday now. Be this about space. I will give you a comment platform again because we did yiki. Obe gbera weni. Mogu idiots. We no man need me. Why say what we become no what Frank? Why here keep him? Why tell we here gbene. Frank Mama Kevin, Eddie, Frank Mozo go marry the Frank Mozo. When I will marry young girl, what had dead you can I kick me? A can did me now Mudia, or walking Mujava. My picture walking no Giladian with makeup. We are watching picture walking without no makeup. No good Nayaze. Now here if I can knock so bomber bugger no Gilakiva. Every walking away the evening you way. Yalla no, or see now. I fear the Yakamura Yaki. I mean, the white Yabi. Argument on Mugen. Yagan wear Sagli Mayo everywhere. Yay walk no. Oh, yeah, a lakman. They go address. A coye polo. A coat to Tanyawi. Where they call him. Swiss 16. Yah, if Elizabeth. Yak Bokilega. A no get him over. Ogbegbe. Nonsense. Even if I well at here, at the day, when not your day, my picture well at the most of Hame. When not your walking, when my picture well at you. When I quite put on your double the cabele. A ladder, I hear, ladder, our Lord Jesus is our ladder. Akman, I connect with ladder, our Lord Jesus is a ladder. Now, ya be. Nibu yes, ya be. I'm not paying. I'm not going to I'm not paying that way. Where are you? Where are you walking? I'm not taking my direct way. Nits walking me did one it's day. I'm not taking one moon and yet we are going to tell you always a war thing. That is what's so. Sagale Mayono, a co block, a lap yellow palapa, a co blocked me. I think about King Yesoto. I want to give a problem. Problematic problema. E casu wue or ye konawa is a newness and yaman and newness and no one simple you way na me wa kabo kan be okay no la we ni afo ala wue wa ha e dede ta komo se mare dede ta komo wa ne ye dede la dia nenu enu wa mo hia na pe won e ko be la lo se unwe su we any other last way ya la lo because of that we a cock back be a lot be cover out there on that we ya get the oh you na the hunger can you read you know wa get doggy whatever wa get window whatever level whatever size 12 whatever touch your toes no pick your arrow yes is that all we done on my go new nyama women. Now they go to talk. If you go to Michigan, bring your picture. Come on, not the same fake account. May I post my picture? Post my wife picture with your own picture. Now they na ask them. Yàrá kele de na fi ekun. O hono fine. O so spray go ne. We no we young girl let go na go agbeku. Young girl na. O ko no ma be job jagbo. Uyon gi gwa beku